What's happening out here? What's happening? Why are you being so noisy? Camera hug. You are not coming to my house. Dasher, telling me you can't come in. You gonna talk to the camera? Dasher? No. What do you want, baby? You just want a pet? You want some chow? Am I supposed to feed you monsters? Get out of here. Tai Chi. Come on, move it. Come here. You can have some. Come here. No, come here. Josh, you can have some too. All right. Now you be quiet. Tai Chi. You already ate everything. You hog. No, don't you eat his. Don't you eat his. You're such a pig. Alright, you can have this one. You can have that one. His yard looks really good. Very spooky. Okay. You going now? Bye-bye. So then, you say bye-bye? Dasher.